Oh, you hear an echo back there, don't you? Yeah, you do. You hear an echo, don't you? Is that your motorcycle? Is it your trike? Zara, is it your trike? Yeah. Is it? Is it your trike? Yeah, coming at Mommy fast and strong. And you parked it. You parked it in the garage. Good girl. Yeah, you parked it. Sure are a lot of bars around this house, huh? Keep you from getting places. Whoa, don't wipe out. Is that where you want to park it? Maybe over there? Okay. Find a little sunshine. Oh, so many options. You have a lot of vehicles too, don't you? The Tonka truck, which you really like climbing inside. Or pushing around. Stuck?